Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be fun to do a kind of different look for spring. I have been loving yellow and pink on the eyes for spring, and I actually recently got a yellow liquid eyeliner, so I wanted to incorporate that into this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this super fun spring makeup look, then keep on watching. So I just got done priming my eyes with my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I'm also going to go ahead and prime my face real quick before I do anything because I like to let the primer sit for a while. So I'm just going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I have right here my Smashbox LA Cover Shop palette. You guys already know that I love this palette. You've seen me use it a billion times already. So I'm going to go ahead and use it today. I'm going to take my Smashbox Shadow Intensifier brush and I'm going to go in with this peachy shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that all over my eyelid. And next I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm going to dip into this light brown shade right there and place that right into the crease. And I'm going to fade it upward a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the same brush and take this white color right here and then just go ahead and blend the edges upward. That way it's more faded instead of harsh. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a full cut crease. I'm just taking my Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer and using a concealer brush to cut the crease. Once you feel like you've gotten that even, next we can go in with the peach shade one more time. And I'm just going to use my finger and pack that right where I placed the concealer just to set that down. So now it's time to get into the fun part. So this is definitely going to be more of a fun look than an everyday look, just because I'm going in with a yellow eyeliner. I have not tried this one out yet, so we'll see how it goes, but this is the ColourPop Liquid Liner. These are just cute, fun little colored liners. The Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner is still my favorite eyeliner. And I've actually already tried the ColourPop liquid liner in the white shade, so I like the formula for the Smashbox one better, but these ColourPop ones are super cute and cheap if you want to do a bright colored eyeliner, since Smashbox does not have those. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with the yellow liner and do a wing. Okay, so the only problem is that it's picking up the color when I go back over it. I'm just going to let that dry for a second, and I'm going to do the other eye and then come back to that. So I don't think that I'm quite done with the upper lash line yet. but I want to go in and finish off my face makeup before I do anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so now my face makeup is all on and I'm ready to move on with the eyes. I'm really liking how they look right now. I love how like bright and fun and cute the yellow is. The ColourPop eyeliner is a little bit difficult to work with, but it's super cheap, and if you're looking for just like fun eyeliners, if you want to add like a pop of color, like obviously you're not going to wear it as often as you would just like a regular black eyeliner like this one from Smashbox, but if you want just a fun pop of color to add to your makeup sometimes, then the ColourPop ones work just fine. And let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial about how I do winged eyeliner. So I have a bunch of Always Sharp liners here. Some of them are actual eyeliners and some of them are lip liners. I have even more than that. Oh my goodness, I have so many. Okay, I'm not sure where I want to go with this. I know that I do want to do pink on the lower lash line, so I'm just going to start there. Ooh, I like that. Okay, cool. That was fast. So I'm going to go in with a shimmery pink, which is not what I anticipated doing, but you know. I'm taking the Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in the shade Tag Me, and I'm using this beautiful sparkly pink, which is called Bikini Scene. And I'm just going to take that on a flat, fluffy brush and place that on the lower lash line. Pink and yellow together are just so springy, and it's just so cute. And then I'm going to go in with this pink right here. This is Spiked Punch, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner a little bit. So now I want to kind of make it monotone into my waterline. So I'm going in with this Smashbox Always Sharp lip liner that is in a similar color. This one is in the shade Audition. I'm going to make sure I clean that really well before I place that in my eye. I was thinking that it'd be cute to do like kind of a monotone look on the lower lash line and bring that color in. I just want to say, like, don't be afraid to repurpose your makeup products and use them for like different things and they're like than they say they're intended for, because sometimes lip liners make good eyeliners and sometimes lipsticks make good eyeshadows, sometimes eyeshadows make good lipsticks. So, you know, it just depends. You can definitely switch up the use of your makeup products to get a very unique look. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into this shade right here from the LA Cover Shop palette, and I just want to add a lot of sparkle to this look. I'm going to take a pencil brush and just place that like on the inner corner. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I just want to add some shimmer to the upper lash line. So now I'm going to do lashes. I'm going to start out by going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer. I love this stuff. It pretty much makes it look like you got eyelash extensions when you actually didn't. It makes your lashes just look so long and it separates them perfectly, and I just love this stuff. I mean, already you can, I don't know if you can see, but I can tell in the mirror here, already my lashes look super long. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and top off that lash primer with my mascara. And I'm going in with my Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. And then for lips, I'm just going to go in with a nude pink color. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. And I'm just going to apply a little bit in the center and then pat it out. Okay guys, so here is the finished super fun spring makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like just testing out a fun bright colored eyeliner, and I really liked testing out new techniques using products for different purposes than they're intended for. I just think that it's super fun and I really like how this look turned out. And let me know what you guys think of it or what you guys think of wearing a colored eyeliner. All the Smashbox products that I used in today's video are available at the Wildcat shop at Central Washington University, so be sure to come in and check those out. I absolutely love all the Smashbox's products and I would love to share them with you and let you guys try them out. So come on in and we can try out some products on you and you can figure out which ones you guys like best. So yeah, I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Man, I am so tired. Oops, I should not have done that. Okay, hey guys. So, ow, I poked myself in the eye.